How to transition from breastfeeding, when and how to wean. In this video, we will discuss breast milk is essential for your baby's first 6 months, delivering all the necessary nutrients. But as your baby grows, their nutritional needs change. When to start weaning? Most experts recommend starting the weaning process when your baby reaches 1 year. However, the exact timing depends on your baby's readiness and comfort. Why some mothers choose to wean early. 1. Inadequate milk production. 2. Baby's disinterest in breast milk. 3. Mother's health issues. 4. Returning to work. 5. Baby biting due to teething. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby feeding related videos. Please continue watching. How to start weaning. 1. Introducing formula milk. If your baby is under 1 year old, you might replace one breastfeeding session with formula milk to begin the transition. 2. Distracting with activities. Not every cry is a cry for milk. Sometimes your baby just wants your attention. Engage your baby in a fun activity to keep them occupied. 3. Focus on solid foods. As your baby reaches 6 months, they'll be ready for solid foods. Start with smooth milk-based purees. 4. Prioritizing formula or solid food. When your baby shows signs of hunger, offer formula or solid foods first. With consistency, your baby will begin to associate these with meal times. 5. Use a pacifier. Babies often nurse for comfort rather than hunger. A pacifier can satisfy their need to suckle without relying on breast milk. 6. Night weaning. Weaning at night can be challenging, as your body produces more milk during this time. Offer a high-calorie diet during the day to help your baby sleep through the night. How long will weaning take? The weaning process varies from baby to baby. It could take weeks or even a couple of months, depending on your baby's readiness and your consistency. What if your baby still wants to breastfeed? 1. Changing food or formula options. Your baby might prefer different flavors or textures. Experiment with new foods or formula options to find what they like. 2. Adjusting your approach. If one approach doesn't work, switch it up. Offer formula or solids at different times of the day until you find a routine that sticks. 3. Involve your partner. Sometimes a change in caregiver can make all the difference. Let your partner take the lead during feeding times to help your baby adjust. 4. Establishing a routine. Babies thrive on routine. Establish consistent feeding times to help your baby know what to expect. What happens to your body after weaning? You might experience hormonal changes, breast tenderness, and the return of your menstrual cycle. Weight gain is also common, but can be managed with a healthy diet. Remember, every mother and baby is unique. Trust your instincts.